This episode of Southeast Iowa Today is brought to you by Greiner Auto Body of Washington, Iowa, using state-of-the-art techniques and decades of experience to get your car back on the road after an accident. Car Doctor of Washington, Iowa. No matter who Frankensteined it, they can fix it, clean it, and customize it. McDonald Boatyard of Keota, Iowa, for all your farm equipment and auto recycling needs. For great food, it's your choice family restaurant of Wayland, Iowa. Open Tuesday through Sunday. Try the John Bain sandwich on your next visit. Girling Repair of Winfield, Iowa. If your mower is dead, call Fred, your Husqvarna, Aaron's, and Gravely dealer. Fred also fixes and sells snowblowers. B&B Propane and the family of jet stops. CW Tree Trimming, LLC. We're into your trees, not your wallet. Serving all of Henry County and the surrounding area, and we offer a senior citizen and veteran discount.
Iowa Technology Systems of Mount Pleasant, Iowa. Your one-stop computer tech shop. If you, someone you know, or are a business that is having trouble needing laptop, PC, or business technology help, call us today. Visit iowatechsys.com.
Save the date! It's the Junkin Sisters Shop Hop Christmas Edition, December 5th and 6th, 2025. Shop vintage finds, handmade treasures, and festive holiday decor and eats at participating shops. Check out the Junkin Sisters Shop Hop Facebook page for more details.
Dutch Market and Coffee Talk of Washington, Iowa. Dutch Market can handle all of your grocery needs. They even have a conference room that you can use for free. Coffee Talk's drive-thru is open and ready to serve you coffee, energy drinks, sandwiches, baked goods, and ice cream. They all present the award-winning Southeast Iowa Today. Here's the author of Christie's Journey, The Beat Goes On, and your host, John Bain.
Thank you, announcer Cody Roy of NewEnglandDukes.com for your golden pipes and wonderful introduction. It's Tuesday, November 25th, 2025. I'm in downtown Davenport, where the 2025 Canadian Pacific Kansas City Southern Holiday Train is touring Canada and the U.S. November 19th through December 21st, raising money, food, and awareness to support food banks across their network. Professional musicians play free concerts from the brightly decorated train stage. CPKC donates to the local food bank at each stop and encourages all attendees to make monetary or heart-healthy food donation. Since its inaugural journey in 1999, the CPKC Holiday Train has raised more than $26 million and collected approximately 5.4 million pounds of food for community food banks in Canada and the U.S. It's been wet and rainy so far. I'm going to show you as much as I can, and I know I'm sweet, but I'm not going to melt. And if I do, a little melting wouldn't be bad. There it is, folks, the holiday train here in Davenport, Iowa. And I'll tell you, there's still probably about 1,000 people here, which is pretty impressive considering what the weather is doing to us now. It's been blustery and windy, a lot colder than when I first got here tonight. And it's getting a lot better, though. I mean, as far as the train goes, it's beautiful to see all the lights. So, this is the Centennial Bridge in downtown Davenport, Iowa, that connects Davenport, Iowa to Rock Island, Illinois. And we're just right out in front of Modern Woodland Park. And I'm going to work my way to the front of the engine so you folks can get a good look at that. Thankfully, Mother Nature has quit raining on us at this point. But the wind is still what you would call blustering. Hopefully my microphone. Look at the beautiful wreath on the front of this. CPKC. It's a great tradition, and as I said in the opening segment, it's great what the train line does to help members of its communities, all up and down through Canada and the United States. That's the Sky Bridge in downtown Davenport. Some people have referred to it as the Bridge to Nowhere. It was made when the President Riverboat Casino was docked in downtown Davenport. And they said they made it so it would be a neat thing for people to come and see and use as part of the casino. And people said, yeah, but that boat can float away. And it did. Hey, the bridge is still there and it's beautiful.
Coming up after the break, Smash Mouth performs from the CPKC Holiday Train Stop in Davenport, Iowa. Hey, thanks for watching the podcast. We're taking just a quick break here because I need to share with you how you can get one of these cool t-shirts or one of these cool hats or this huge, let me just make sure I'm holding this right, Southeast Iowa Today with John Bain blanket. Oh, man, it is soft too. Anyway, all you got to do is go to a website called Bo Bain Designs, and that's what it looks like. You can see it there. Once you're there, just search Southeast Iowa Today with John Bain, and boom, up comes that. And you can get stuff like this, a tumbler. This is Southeast Iowa Today with John Bain, and on the back, stay friendly, Southeast Iowa. And don't forget the ever cool Southeast Iowa Today with John Bain coffee mugs that also say stay friendly, Southeast Iowa. It's all there. And why am I telling you this? It's because I appreciate you, and I know that you tell people about this podcast, but this is a way for you to become a walking billboard, get some conversation started, help me promote your favorite podcast. And once again, I thank you. And this was a long enough break. We got to get back to the podcast. And, stay friendly, Southeast Iowa. And thank you so much.
Around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Did it make sense not to live for fun? Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You never know if you don't go. Never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. Go on their shooting stars, break the road. It's a cool place, and they say it gets cooler. You're bundled up now, wait until you get older. But the meaning of man makes a difference. Talking about the hole in the satellite picture. The ice cream skate. But then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer, not a trace.
Tour mate, the wonderful, talented singer-songwriter, all the way from Canada to entertain you for a few songs. Please make some noise for Miss J.J. Wild!
How are we doing out there tonight? All right. Sorry. You want to take your leave? No, don't need it right now. We're going to blast other people. Then let's dance.
If this doesn't get you ready for the Christmas holiday season, I don't know what will, but I'll keep working on it. It's been another episode of Podcast Excellence in the Rain and the Wind. Thanks for watching. Thanks to my sponsors, Griner Auto Body, Car Doctor, McDonald Boneyard, Your Choice Family Restaurant, Girling Repair, B&B Propane, and the family at Jet Stops, CW Tree Trimming LLC, Iowa Technology Systems, Junkin Sisters Holiday Shop Hop December 5th and 6th, Dutch Market, and Coffee Talk. I'm your cold and wet host, John Bain. Merry Christmas and stay friendly, Southeast Iowa.